Okay, the median. Another measure of central tendency is median. Median is the data item in the middle of each set of ranked or ordered data. Okay, ranked or ordered data. What does it mean? If you have a set of data items, first of all, you need to write them down in order from the smallest to largest. Okay? Then, see what data item is located right in the middle of your set. If we have odd number of data items, the median is the data item right in the middle. That's really easy. But if we have even number of data items, two data items are located right in the middle. What should we do? We take the mean value of those two data items that sits right in the middle of your set. Okay, let's see. Here, A and B. Find the median for each of the following groups of data. Look at A. Okay, first of all, as we said, we need to write down the data items from the smallest to largest. Okay, so the smallest one is 84. Then we have 88, right? Then we have 90, then 95, and then we have 98. How many data items do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's an odd number. So one data item sits right in the middle. Here we go, 90, right? 90 is right in the middle of your data set. So the median is 90. Look at part B. I'm going to write it down from the smallest to largest. Okay, the smallest one is 7. Then I have 13, then 15, then 25, 28, 34, 47, 59, 68, and 74. So how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 number of data items. It means two data items, they sit right in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these two and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have 4 items on the right, 4 items on the left. As you see, two data items, they sit right in the middle, 28 and 34. What should I do to find the median? I take the mean value between these two. Okay, so mean 28 plus 34 divided by 2. So use your calculator. 28 plus 34 is 62. Divided by 2 is 31. So in this case, the median is 31. Here is your median. Okay, so that's about the median. Well, something very, very important is that we can use this equation to find the position of the median. Guys, be careful. This equation doesn't give you the median, not at all, okay? It just gives you the position of the median, okay? For example, in the, question we just covered, we said let's find the median. I wrote down the numbers from the smallest to largest, right? 82, 88, 90, 95, and 98. Okay, how many data items do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so n is equal to 5. The position of the median, okay, position of the median, here we go, median position is actually n plus 1 over 2. So here in this example, n is 5. So 5 plus 1 over 2, 6 over 2 is 3. It means 3 is the position of the median. When you write your numbers in order, the third one is your median. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Third one is 90. So 90 is my median. So be careful, n plus 1 over 2 is not the median. It's the position of your median. Okay? Here we go. So let's compare the median and the mean. Okay, when can I use median? When should I use the mean value? Let's say 5 employees are working in the assembly section of a TV manufacturing company. They get salaries of, as you see here, 19,700. Another person gets 20,400. Another employee 21,500, and another one gets a salary of $22,600 per year, and another one $23,000 per year. These are the salaries of 5 employees working in the assembly section of the company. The section manager has an annual salary of $95,000, way higher than the other employees, right? The manager gets a high salary. Part A asks you to find the median annual salary for these 6 people, and Part B wants you to find the mean annual salary for these 6 people. Okay? I give you around 1 minute to actually find, the mean value and the median annual salary for these 6 people. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so to find the median, first we write down the salaries in order from the smallest to the largest. Okay, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's an even number, right? So as you see, 2 data items, they sit right in the middle. So I take the mean value of them. Okay, so I add 21,500 to 22,600 divided by 2, so it's $22,050. Okay, so here is the value of median of the salary of these 6 people, right? For part B, we want to find the mean value, right? So I add all the salaries divided by the number of items, which is 6, and so here is what we get, 33,700. So median value is 22,050 and the mean value is 33,700. If somebody is asking about the typical salary of people in this company, you think which number is actually closer to reality? Which number is closer to the typical salary of people in this section, in this company? $22,050 or $33,700? Which one? Yeah, here it is. The median value is actually closer to reality because as you see, 5 employees, they're getting, salaries around 20,000, right? And the mean value has increased just because of the high salary of the manager. So if someone wants to know the typical salary of employees in that company, so median is actually gives better idea, right? Gives a better idea of the typical salary of people, right? So, whenever we have one or more data items that are much greater than the other items, right? These extreme values, they can greatly influence the mean value, just like what we saw here, right? So just like here, as you see, the mean value increased to 33,700. In that case, it's better to report the median, actually, right? That's often more representative of the data, okay? So here we go. We have another, measure of central tendency, which is the mode. Well, mode is talking about the data item that has the highest frequency. It's happening more often than the other data items, so has the highest frequency. We call that the mode. Okay. For example, here, what is the mode? So see what data item has the highest frequency. What do you think? Let's look at the data. 5 has happened, as you see, 3 times. 12 has happened twice. 4 has happened once, right? What is the frequency of 8? 1. So which data item has the highest frequency? 5. So the mode is 5. Well, we have another measure of central tendency, that's the mid-range. Well, mid-range is found by adding the lowest data item to the highest data item and dividing the sum by 2. Here we go. This is the equation for the mid-range. For example, let's say we have a data that shows, the best 12 countries to be a woman, right? And they have actually calculated the scores based on justice, health, education, economics, and politics. So they have considered these factors, and here are the scores. And you see, for example, Iceland has the highest score, 100, and Canada is the second, 99.6. France has the lowest, 87.2. Okay? If you want to find the mid-range, so that's easy, right? We add the highest score to the lowest one and then we divide the sum by 2, right? So highest score 100 plus 87.2 divided by 2 is 93.6. So that's the mid-range of this set of data. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a break here. I'll be back to talk about, correlation. Okay, let's have a break.